Well, indictment is basically any felony case has to go in front of what they call a grand jury. They submit an indictment to the grand jury. What a grand jury does is then they look at it, and they at that point will determine whether or not it should go further. Typically, it's just kind of a rubber stamp because it's very one-sided. They see the police report, and it's a one-sided. So actually, we get hired a lot of times to do what's called a grand jury packet, which we put together, and it goes in front of the grand jury. Once it goes in front of the grand jury, they don't just see the police reports, they see our information as well, and hopefully it doesn't get past that. I call, it's another bite at the apple, basically. So you get chance before the grand jury, then you got the case going on. Well, a grand jury packet is, we usually sit down and we lay out the facts the way that we feel that they are. So you're not just getting the police officer side, but you're getting our side, our client's side. And basically it's us trying to even out what the police officer said. And in many cases, we're able to get the grand jury to see our way, but not in every case. But many times we are. But either way, it kind of gives a second bite at the apple because you get to fight at the grand jury level, and then if it goes through the grand jury, then you get to fight at the case level as well. Well, any felony is going to have a grand jury appearance. The issue on that is when is it going to be? And typically, no, the defendant or the person charged is not going to know when it is. When they hire us, obviously we check. We call some of my friends at the district attorney's office and see when that might be. To speak to a lawyer, call us at the Goolsby Law Firm. Our telephone number is 972-394-2141. We'll get you in for a free consultation.